Ready to unlock the power of detailed website analytics and supercharge your Shopify store's performance? First, let's get started by logging into your Shopify store. You'll need admin access, so make sure you've got the right credentials. Next, from your Shopify dashboard, navigate to Online Store, then click on Themes. Locate the theme you're currently using and click the Customize option. This will open your theme's code editor. From there, click on the three dots near Customize button and then choose Edit Code. This is where the magic happens. In the code editor, find the theme.liquid file. This is usually located under the Layout folder. Click on the theme.liquid to open it now. Identify the starting tag of the head section. It looks like this head. We're going to paste the Google Tag Manager code here. So you want to place the code right after that starting head tag. Now, go to your Google Tag Manager account. If you do not yet have a Tag Manager account, you should create an account and create a container for your Shopify store. Once logged in, look for the container ID, also known as the GTM ID, usually starting with GTM XXXX. Then click on the tag installation to view the code. You'll see the snippets of code. Copy the first snippet of code now. Go back into your theme.liquid file in your Shopify store and paste that copied code immediately after the opening head tag, as we discussed before. Then, copy the second snippet of code from your Google Tag Manager account in your Shopify theme editor. Find the beginning of the body section with the body greater than opening tag. Now paste the second snippet of code right after that less than body greater than section's opening tag. Carefully review the code that you have just pasted in your Shopify store. Make sure that both code snippets are in the proper places. When you're done, click the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Google Tag Manager to your Shopify store. Now start adding tags, triggers, and variables in Google Tag Manager to begin tracking important website data and analyze. By using GTM, you'll gain valuable insights to improve your data-driven decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tips.